Where I don't know what to say. I'm sick. I'm sick again, and I have long eyebrows. This is annoying. Whatever. What's up? My head's itchy too. What's up? I don't know what I'm doing. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm just doing some homework on, yeah, that. I have 3 computers. Well, the house computer, and I have 2 laptops, but they don't have. They don't have Microsoft Word on it, so I'm doing it here. And plus, it's better to do it over here, so I won't get distracted. You know, very lame that I get distracted still. And I'm how old? Exactly. Exactly. Anyways, how are you all doing? Tell me, how are you doing? I've been doing this thing for the month of December, recording a little vlog every day on my iPhone channel, but it's not ending. Might not be going up the next day or something. And I put it on the wrong channel the other day, so yeah. But whatever. This is fun because I'm still doing it. You know what I mean? I've been doing it every day. And I said I'll be doing a better one every day, but I still end up doing it at my house or in a car. So, yeah. Or one of them I did at Target. That was a long one. Freaking long one. Freaking frick. Just kidding. Oh, look it. Just like my video if you watched it yesterday, I'm wearing Uggs. Uggs. Yeah, they're warm and comfortable, and I feel like I'm going cross-eyed today. And, yeah. Lilo. Lilo. Come here, baby. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, you know, that's how I do. That's how I do. Go running around barking like a dog. Give it a thumbs up if you think that I sound like a dog, like for real. Like for real, for real. You know, like for real. Oh, wait. I feel backed up. More I look like. Pretend that's a window. Out of breath already. I'm freaking out of shape. Ooh, this is hard to do. Look at my background. That'd be cool if it's becoming a thumbnail. I wonder how long I have to stand here. Oh, I'm just gonna stand here and do this. But yeah, hope everybody's doing awesome. And I'm out of shape so bad. Oh my god, I have to freaking go to the gym. I haven't gone to the gym forever. And holy fish sticks, man, that's freaking lame. I don't know how many times I use freaking this thing, but okay. I'm getting sick again. This really sucks. I took a whole bunch of medicine. Hopefully I get better because this is the most horrible time to get sick. Most inconvenient time ever, you know. Most freaking inconvenient time ever. Shut up! Anyways, I'm kind of, I don't know. I don't know. Should I get a haircut soon? I'm wondering. I don't know. I said that a while back, but I just haven't gone. I don't know. Frick, I keep on saying frick, and I don't know, like, at least 500 million times. But, yeah. Yep. Look at how big my lips are. Christmas, it's almost here, and then we're gonna have lots of cheer, and do not fear, because Santa is near, you know what I mean. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Gosh, I need to freaking stop saying that. Oh my gosh. Ew. But then yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. I just bit on my iPhone and you can see my nostrils. Oh, 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 oh. And this is the best positioning ever. I really did spit on my phone now. I'm still procrastinating making this video so I could hold off on that essay. It's about advertising. About sex and advertising. Sex and advertising. Too much sex and advertising. But seriously, I really think there is, so yeah. But yeah, coming from a straight male, I'm saying there's too much sex and advertising. And yeah, I'm entitled to that opinion, okay? Okay. I'm itchy. And I think I'm gonna do this from now on in my vlogs, or try to. Signing out, logging off. Benny is Tan.